राधे राधे। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। कलगे सुंदराकारं सदैक प्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरं। सद्गुरु महाराज की जय। On behalf of our Sri Sandibini Gurukulam Veda Pathashala, humble pranams and Radhe Radhe. Our beloved Guru Maharaj, Maharanyam Sri Sri Muralidhara Swamiji, has inspired and established this wonderful Pathashala way back in the May of 1995, and this Pathashala has been running very well for the past about 26 years. A Mahatma can choose to serve and bless and pray for the people in many ways. When a person who is a little challenged, a differently abled person who cannot see properly wants to cross the road, a kind-hearted person who can see can help that person either by directly catching hold of his hand with his hand. You know, the person who wants to cross the road holds out a hand, and the person who is helping him can hold his hand and make him cross the road. Or he can ask that person to catch hold of a stick and make him cross the road. Or he can use verbal orders saying that, you know, come straight, come behind me. Yes, now stop. Now you can cross, and help the person cross the road. The point is, when somebody wants to help, they can use any tool which is available to them to help, serve, assist, bless, grace the people who are in need. Our Sri Swamiji has beautifully taken some very beautiful Vedic mantras, some very famous, some not very famous, but powerful mantras, and asked our Sandibini Gurukula Pandits, Vedic Pandits, to do japam of the mantra for the well-being and the welfare of the whole world. And all we need to do is to allow the ringing, allow the chanting of the mantra, that sound of the mantra to fill our houses while they are doing japam. Keep listening to it while we do whatever we need to do. If you're fortunate to have time, sit down and just allow this wonderful chants of Vedas, very beautifully chanted by able, experienced Vedic Pandits. And we just have to allow that vibrations, that sounds, that vibrant chants to either fill our ears and heart and also fill our homes. And in the mornings we are doing Mrityunjaya Mahamantra Japa, and it's a very famous mantra, all of you know it. It's about longevity, it is about how to ensure that we win over time to the extent possible with the help and the blessings of Veda Mata. In the evenings, there are some very specific mantras our Swamiji has picked and have ordained our Sandibini Gurukula Pandits to chant for all of us. And yesterday and today, which is 5th and 6th May in the evenings, we are doing what is called as an Ayurvardhana mantra, right? And it starts with Ayurdha, you know, Agne, that mantra. It is in Yajurvedam, and that mantra is actually requesting the Agni Devan, the fire god as we call it in English, to accept the offerings which is doused with clarified butter, ghee, and being happy and contented with our offerings. It is pleading with Agni Bhagavan to protect the one for whom we are doing Sankalpa. Many of you have sent the Sankalpa to ssgtjapam@gmail.com, and one of our Vedic Pandits are actually doing the Sankalpa based on the details you have given. And the person for whom we are doing Sankalpa is the Yajaman, isn't it? So here, very beautifully, this mantra which you are listening in the evenings on 5th and 6th May actually talks about protect those people, the Yajaman, for whom we are chanting the mantra, like how a father will protect his own child. You see, the father will do anything at his disposal to protect the child by some means, isn't it? So the prayer here is, protect this Yajaman, ensure the longevity of his life, make sure the Yajaman has a long life, a healthy life, and you bless it, not like a disinterested owner just giving the salary to a laborer, but rather do it like an affectionate father protecting his child. That is the beauty, that is the beautiful simile, the metaphor used by our Veda Mata, and we are praying to that Agni Bhagavan to actually protect us, just like how a father protects a child. Father who is powerful, having all the resources at his disposal, how he protects his child. Hey, you protect, hey Agni Bhagavan, you also protect me, is the japa. Make sure that I live my full life without any obstacles in between. May there be not any diseases. Let me live long, fully, is the prayer. So allow this wonderful chant to ring in our homes and ears. And while the chant is going on, if you have time, you can actually join the prayer with this bhava. Listen to the chant, that's enough. In the heart, you can pray to Agni, and we can pray to Guru, we can pray to our Bhagavan, you see. Let me lead a full life and be free from diseases. Even diseases which can be life-threatening diseases, let it not touch me. Let me lead a healthy life. And let Agni Bhagavan, like a father, protect me, his child. Radhe Radhe. Sadguru Maharaj ki Jai.